Okay, I want to show everybody an alternative to those overhead garage and shed storage areas. What I did is I ended up buying a metal bed frame. It's actually lightweight aluminum bed frame online for real cheap. I think it's like 40-50 bucks, if that. And then I used some angle brackets from Home Depot. And then this one I put self-tappers in, just self-tapped it on all four ends there. As you can see, I store my metal up here. And then I did one on this side too. I'll come around here on the angle bracket, and I drilled out some 1/4-20s and put some 1/4-20 bolts and nuts in that one. But as you can see, they work great. Real heavy duty, a lot of weight on them. I store a lot of metal and all my some wood, PVC pipes, stuff like that. But you can do these in your garage. And online I've seen where they're $200-300 bucks. I've even seen ones that are $400 to buy the ones online to put up in your garage. But I was like, why pay that much? You could do your own. And these are a little bigger actually. So just metal bed frames and put some angle brackets on there, and voila, ready to go. And mount them to the top of your ceilings, and you're good to go. And it cost me around 50 bucks to do. All right, just some tidbits of information to help save money.